Hey, Mature Divas, guess what? I have been Temu'd. So today, we're going to talk about Temu. Have you heard of Temu? I must admit, I'm late to the game, but I'm so happy that I found out about Temu. And when the Temu team reached out to me and asked me if I would like to collaborate, I said yes. The Temu team was like, hey, we really like what you're doing, and we see you on the YouTube. True. I love shopping for deals. So when the Temu team reached out to me and asked me if I would like to collaborate, I was very happy. So I want to take you along with me on my journey to explore everything that I got from Temu on my first order. We're going to try on some things. We're going to talk about some things, and we're going to have some fun. So go get your favorite cocktail, your favorite drink, and a snack, and let's do this. So I saw other creators talking about their Temu experience, and I knew that I wanted to try Temu. So first off, let's talk about how much I got. I got a lot, and they were able to pack everything in this little Temu bag. These people are packing ninjas because I don't know how they got everything that I got into this little bag. I got to pick out several things on my first order that were just adorable. They shipped them to me for free. Yes, Temu has free shipping and returns. I love a great deal. I love what I got. So let's explore. So if you're like me, you're probably thinking, what is Temu? Is this legit? And am I going to get what I ordered? In my case, yes, I got exactly what I ordered within a reasonable amount of time. And shipping was free. And y'all, straight out the gate, I must say, if you find something that you fall in love with on Temu, go ahead and order it because these items are moving fast. Do not sit on the fence and put it in your shopping cart and think, oh, I'll come back in a couple of days and I'll buy it. Chances are, if you come back in a couple of days, it could be gone. It happened to me, so I'm just letting y'all know. The first item I want to talk about is this queen romper. This is just adorable, and it has the bling queen here on the top and on the leg. This is a really soft material, and it's cut to be off shoulder. I just have mine up on my shoulder right now, but it's really roomy. It's one piece. It has wide legs, and here is the outfit all around. What I really love about this outfit is it's so versatile. If I want to go out to the store, I can do that. If I want to go to the movies, I can do that in this outfit. And I can even lounge around the house because I am the queen. And what I really like about this outfit is that it only costs $20.49. Look at this beautiful red jumpsuit. I love the quality of it. I wore this on my last cruise, and I cannot wait to wear it again on my next cruise. This is how it looks on me. It's very flattering, and you can dress it up with heels or wear flats, and you can wear it to the office or out on the town. Now, the next outfit that I'm excited to show you is my royal blue jumpsuit. Now, unfortunately, it was a tad bit too small for me in the waistline, but I do have it on my beautiful dress model. So let me show you the details. I think this is so flattering and would be perfect for vacay at an all-inclusive. You're walking around the island with your sun hat on, you've got your drink in your hand, or you go to the disco and you're ready to bust a move. This jumpsuit says it all. I love, love, love the V-neck in the front, how it drapes in the front, and I absolutely love the back with the crisscross. Yes, ladies, jump on this. This jumpsuit is super cute, and it was only $17.49 at the time that I ordered it. Next up is this really pretty black blouse. Now, I got it to go with jeans and slacks. I think it is just super cute because it drapes. It has like a cowl neck in the front. It has bat wings. And it has a breathable fabric, so you can wear this in the summertime and not get hot. You can tuck it in or you can wear it out. And this was only $8.49 at the time that I ordered it. Next up are these adorable makeup sponges. Now, I found this for like 79 cents at the time that I ordered. And what I love about it is that all 4 sponges come in this cute little carrying case, and I can just pack this away in my carry-on bag, and I don't have to worry about getting my regular sponges out to travel. There are 3 types of sponges in here. There's a complete round one. This one looks round, but it actually has a flat side here. And then these 2 have a flat bottom. I think you'll love these. They're only 79 cents. Next up is this really cute outdoor light. You see how cute this is and small? If you turn on the back, it has 2 holes here where you can hang it on the side of your house, but I think I'm going to use this on my fence. Just drill a couple of holes, put it on my fence for outdoor lighting. This is solar powered, so no need for any batteries. I cannot wait to hang this up and see how pretty this is going to be. And I'm going to order probably another 6 of these to go along the back fence so I can really have a really cute patio at night. Next is this tote bag set. This is a 2-tone tote bag set. And I'm going to show me wearing the tote bag set right over here. But what's really amazing about this set is that it has 3 pieces. This is the roomy tote bag. I'll show you inside. You see how much space that has? And it has a zippered inside. So if you have valuables, you can zip it up. And then the top also has its own zipper, which I absolutely love. Now, also, the set comes with this shoulder bag. It's also 2-tone with the tassel design. It has adjustable straps. And there's another piece. There's also this little clutch. And you can use this as a clutch when you just want to go with your essentials, or I think this would make a great travel cosmetic bag. Everything in this set was only $25.39 when I ordered it. The next item is this really cute travel atomizer. I love using atomizers. They're so small that you can just stick it in your purse or stick it in your travel bag. And I'm going to show you how this works because it's so cute. This is a refillable atomizer. So all you have to do is use this little nozzle at the bottom with your favorite fragrance. You just stick it on the top here and just push it up and down. And what this is doing is actually filling the atomizer. So when you're finished, you have the spray of your favorite fragrance. I absolutely love everything that I got from Temu, and I want to take this time to thank the Temu team for inviting me to explore your great products. And here's something else. Ladies, you can save 30% off your Temu order by using this code right here. It's OFF7865, and you can get 30% off your first Temu order. And if you download the Temu app, you can use the discount code once again. Again, the code is OFF7865 for 30% off these great prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell others. There are hundreds of great Temu items priced under $10. And don't forget that Temu has free shipping and free returns. This is a great time to try Temu right before Mother's Day and right before summer, so you can get all the cute things that you want affordably priced before the weather turns hot. I'm loving Temu right now, and I hope this helps you. Stay fabulous.